Hello Forex traders, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I want to introduce you to the concept of market structure. Now for those of you who want to start trading the smart money concept, which is basically pure price action, market structure is very foundational. If you've been following this YouTube channel, I've introduced you to the concept of the market behavior, where we've seen how market delivers liquidity from an uptrend, downtrend, sideways movement. And in this video, I want to show you how to delineate market structure, how to understand when an uptrend is about to finish and when a downtrend is about to start. So let's get into it. Let me start by sketching how you can literally identify market structure. Now let's assume you want to go into a bullish movement. Now a bullish movement starts whenever a downward movement ends. So let's say this is a downtrend, right? You see, price delivers liquidity in this pattern. So if you want to see how an uptrend starts immediately after we take out the last high that price actually created here. Now the elements of a downtrend is basically when you see a lower high and a lower low, a lower high and a lower low. So this is what makes a downtrend possible. So whenever you see price forming lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, you can say to have a downtrend. Now at a point when we see price finally takes out the last lower high that it created here and closes above it, there we can say that we have finished this downtrend and we are about to start an uptrend, which is literally what you are seeing on this particular sketch. So when you see this happens, you will be able to identify the start of an uptrend. So an uptrend starts from here, and what makes an uptrend is simply a series of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see right here, we have this high is higher than this low is lower than this. That is why we call it higher high and a higher low. So as price keeps printing more high, the moment we close above this high, we have formed a new high, and we can say that this uptrend is still valid. So what makes a downtrend? At any point price takes out the last higher low, which is this particular one, we can literally see that price has started going low. All right, if we close below this guy, we can say we have started a downtrend. So it's basically very easy to identify an uptrend and a downtrend. Whenever you are trading, this is what you will see repeatedly on your chart, and understanding how this works literally gives you rest in trading. So when you see price behaving this way, you can literally identify the structure. And then the last pattern of movement is basically when price is neither going up or coming down. And this mostly happens when price is trying to accumulate orders. Other people call it ranging market. All right, so let me go to my chart and show you literally what we have. So look at this chart, for example. Remember, I told you before an uptrend will start, you want to see where the downtrend ends. So price was coming, boom, you have this retracement, and this is where the uptrend starts. Boom, the last point price printed was here. This was the lowest level price actually went to. And what did you see? We have a lower high. So the moment you close above the lower high, you can literally see that price has started moving upward. So this is it. In delineating market structure, you want to identify where the structure is. So this highest level, you see these two candlesticks. You have this green one and this black candle. The wick, which is the tail of this particular candle, is literally where the structure is formed. So for you to identify the structure, all you need to do is to pick your line, put it here, draw it horizontally to the last point here, where you can literally see price pushing above it with the body of the candle. So if you are saying you have broken structure here, what you need is for the body of the candle to close above this line. So you can say that this is not a break of structure. Why? Because the candlestick wick actually close above it, but we have not broken structure. This one too, close above it, but we have not broken structure. So that is not a break of structure in this manner. But this last green candle closed here, So we can say that we have a break of structure to the upside. So the next point price went to was boom up to this area. Let me show you. The highest level price went to was here before we saw this massive downward candle, and then it created another low right here. So we can put our line like this and we see price. What did price do? Boom, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. At any point, if we take out this lower area and we close below it, we can say that we have started a downtrend. But as far as we keep pushing up, we are still in an uptrend. So the last push price did was here to create this highest level again. This highest level. If you drag it to this point, did you have a break of structure? Yes, you have broken structure. So what break of structure does is to establish the continuation of that particular trend. So at any point a structure is violated to a different direction, we can say to have a downtrend or an uptrend. So this one, we have a break of structure here. You can literally write it there, BOS, break of structure. This one, we have a break of structure to an upside. This one, we have a break of structure to the upside. And then you can literally see it here, guys. Break of structure to the upside. That is what you need in order to keep going up to the point where price is going. So break of structure to the upper side. Notice how price tried to retrace. Boom, moving up, creating a new high here. We are still in an uptrend. We keep following it. We keep following it because that is how it is. So this is an uptrend. A break of structure to the upside, creating this high again. To identify, we put our wick here and we have closed above it. So we can say that we have a break of structure here. So up to where price actually closed for the week, we have break of structure like that. So this is literally how to delineate your market structure. Uptrend, 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 uptrend. Are you watching what I'm teaching you here, guys? So you see price coming up, coming up. The same thing happens here. Before you start an uptrend, what do you need? You need a shift in market structure or a turn in the direction. This is where it turns. We call it market structure shift. A complete turn in the downtrend. This was boom, down, retrace, retrace, creating this low. Boom, couldn't take out this area. Look at this area. We couldn't take it out. Notice how the body of the candle respected that area. It closed here, 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 and now it turned direction. So we have an uptrend starting from there. Break of structure. We couldn't break structure here. So we can literally shift our line to the next area. This was where we finally have price pushing above. So you keep going on that, and until you see price close above it, you don't have a break of structure. So price keeps going up, going up, going up. So I just want to show you an example of a downtrend where an uptrend ended and then the downtrend started. Okay, so let's go into this. So price, I want to see that literally. Okay, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. So price was going up, going up, going up. Look at where price shifted structure here, right here, the lowest area. Price actually turned direction from that short time uptrend, boom, 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 to this area, and now we started the downtrend. You see, price keeps going lower. You keep seeing price. You see this place. You see, break of structure to the downside. You see price going low. And if you keep going through your chart, you practice this time and again, you would understand that price always respects structure. It respects structure. Anytime you see it, it respects structure. That is literally what you see price do. See this downtrend. How did the downtrend start? Immediately after we have shifted structure. Can we see here? This was literally where we shifted structure. But when you see this kind of a confusing price action, just look for something you can literally identify. Something like this. Boom. You see? Something like this. Boom, to the downside. Something like this. Boom, to the downside. Something like this. Boom, to the downside. So this is basically what you keep seeing. Identify it and wait for price to close below it. So if you keep doing this, guys, you will literally be able to trade like a professional. All right, you will literally be able to trade like a professional. I hope this video opens your eyes on what exactly is market structure, guys. If you really found value in this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and turn the bell notification. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.